You're all able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. 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 So, good morning once again to all of you. Let us start with some kind of revision in this particular hour. But before that, I want to know what do you all have the clarity of the syllabus that is to be covered for first internals? So, what syllabus I had told is first module of data structure completely, and the second module, this second module was recursion part alone without Q. Q is not there for first internal, and the fifth module, the searching and sorting technique without the hashing part. Okay, this is the syllabus. So actually, first module full, half of second module, half of fifth module. So that will form completely a total of 2 modules. All right, I think that should be fine with all of you. I hope you all know that. Can I have some response?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Yeah, good. So let me quickly take you through some important topics. I'll share my screen. PDF, we can't share, is it? Give me just a minute. Are you all able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what are you seeing?
Infix to postfix conversion.
Yeah, infix to postfix. Okay, fine, fine, fine. So let us quickly, try to revise how to do a infix to postfix conversion and postfix evaluation. I'll take up this as the first part, and then we'll, maybe tomorrow's class also we can do about the searching, sorting techniques and all that. So how do we basically do an infix? All of you by now should be knowing what is infix and what is a postfix. Any general expression, we call it as an infix expression. Any when the operator comes after the operands, you call it as the postfix expression. So we use a stack in order to convert the infix to postfix conversion. So these are the steps that we have already seen. When an operand is read, output it. When an operator is read, we pop it until the stack top of the stack as an element of lower precedent. Then we push it. So when a closing parenthesis is found, pop until we find the matching opening parenthesis, and all this we have seen. Now what I want you all to do is to quickly take up a paper or pen, whatever. I'll give you all examples. I want you all to try that. Is that okay? Will that be possible? Will that be possible? Yeah.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
write down the expression that I'll be giving and solve it right away, so that I can, we can cross check with the answers. I want to do something of that sort, not simply present and get going. So get your notebooks or sheets or whatever. Quick. Take the first example. 3 plus 4 into 5 by 6. Convert it into postfix and quickly tell me what is the result. Are you all able to see it? Please respond, some of them at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you able to see? You are able to see the first problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please solve this. Convert it into postfix and give me the answer quickly. See, simply if I go on talking, then that is of no use. I want you all to do it. Anyone with the answer? Vinny?
Ma'am, doing.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Pavitra, you are doing? If you are finished, let me know the answer.
3, 4 into 5 divide means slash 6 plus
3?
3, 4
Mm-hmm.
multiply operator 5 divider operator 6 plus
5 divided operator 6, Young Bharatama. 5 by 6 is already given here, no, in the infix. So postfix means what? Operator should come after, is it not? Namate heng bantu.
6.
Ma'am, 3, 4, 5 by 6 plus operator,
3,
into
4 plus
operator.
5.
5 by 6 baradilla. 5 by 6 barata. 5 by 6 will not be possible, no?
Ma'am, 3, 4 plus 5, 6 by. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me. 3?
4 plus
Okay.
5, 6 divide by operator, then star operator.
Who's this who told me now?
Bhavishya, ma'am.
Bhavisha. Okay, let us see. Let's wait for others. What about others? Have you all done?
Ma'am, 3, 4, 5
Hmm.
divide by plus. Ma'am, it's 5 plus 6 plus.
Yes, tell me. Somebody is telling something.
3, 4, 5 star divided by plus. 6 divided by plus.
Put it on the chat, all of you. Let's see. Because all of you start talking. Yeah, we can't hear. Put it on the chat. Three, 4, 5 star 6 slash plus. Is that what is the answer? 3, 4, 5 star 6 slash plus. Bhavisha is giving a different answer, looks like.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is right, which is wrong. Let us see. Good. Many of you are doing it. I appreciate. Quick, others. I'm waiting for your answers. Most of you are given that answer only. Well, let's get back to the answer. We'll see what is it. Okay, listen to me. Please mute. Put yourselves on mute. Okay, so 3 plus 4 star 5/6. Right? So here we are going to take the stack, what is going to get into the stack and what is going to be the output. Now, first one is the operand. So it will directly go to the output, right? Second one is the operator. Whenever we come across an operator, we should push it into the stack. So this will get into the stack. Next is 4. 4 is again an operand. So it will go directly to the output. Then we have star. Star is an operator. So you have to compare it with the operator that is in the stack. Now plus is of a lower precedence compared to star. So you can simply push star into the stack. Next is 5. 5 is an operand. So take it directly to the output. Next is slash. Again, slash has the same precedence as that of star. Correct? So you will have to pop out star. When you pop out star, plus is remaining. You have to compare slash with plus. So plus is of lower precedence. So you can push slash. So this will come out, get popped. Now you are comparing slash with plus. Plus is of lower precedence, so slash will be pushed into the stack. No two operators of the same precedence can be in the stack at any point of time. All right. Then is 6. 6 is an operand, so you will be pushing, taking it directly to the output. Now all the characters in the given expression is over, so you will pop out everything that is there in the stack. Slash is the first one which will get popped out, and then plus. So this is how, this is the answer. I guess how many of you all got it right?
Ma'am, 3, 4, 5 star plus 6 slash.
No. 3, 4, 5. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am, but the voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. I'll try to close this video at least.
Ma'am, explain once again, ma'am.
Yeah. See, we are given 3. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are given the infix expression 3 plus 4 star 5/6. Correct? So I'll just go back, explain it from the beginning. Okay, we are going to take a stack and we are going to also take an output string. Okay, whenever we come across an operand, 3 is an operand. So what will happen? We will directly take it to the output string. So 3 will come here. Next is plus. Plus is an operator. Whenever we come across an operator, we should push it into the stack. So we are pushing it into the stack. Next is 4. 4, what will happen? 4 is an operand. So take it to the output string. Again, we come across star. Star is an operator. So you are going to come, when you have to push it into the stack, we compare the precedence of the operator that is already there in the stack. Star has a higher precedence than plus. Okay. So we'll simply push star into the stack. That's all. 5, next is 5. 5 is an operand, take it to the output string directly. Next is slash. Now the slash, we have to push it onto the stack because it is an operator. But you in the stack, you have some operators, so you have to compare the slash with the operators that are there in the stack. When you compare slash with star, both are of the same precedence. So you will first push pop star to the output, then so first let me, that gets popped out. And then this slash is now compared with plus. Plus is of lower precedence, so there is no problem, but push the slash into the stack. Next character is 6. 6 is an operand. So it will come directly to the output string. Now we have scanned all the characters. So the left out is whatever is left in the stack will now be popped out. You are popping out stack in the slash first, so slash will get popped out, then comes the plus. So 3, 4, 5 star 6 slash plus. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Shall we do one more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Take this one. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 300 plus 23 star 43 minus 21 slash 84 plus 7. Do it. I want every one of you to try, please. We'll give you 2-3 minutes time. Please do. Sunil, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಪ್ಪ?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Put it on the chat if you are finished, because if all of you start talking, then there's a lot of disturbance. Bhavisha, why you went wrong last problem?
Ma'am, that operator priority I missed, ma'am.
Yeah, see, be careful. Do it properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Even Vinny has done it wrong. Why, Vinny?
Same thing.
Okay. Continue this.
Ma'am, it's done. I have put on this chat.
Okay. Let's see. Let's wait for a minute or so. Let others also finish. Why am I not getting any other response? Make it fast. Yeah, Manjunath. Okay. What about others? Why am I not getting any response? Confused? Asta? Good. Arjun, are you doing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Kishore?
Ma'am.
Doing or not?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, do. Okay, all of you are getting the same answer. There are no differences at all. I'm just seeing if there is any. Oh, Bhargavi's answer looks different. All right. Maithili? Answer is different. I don't know what is the right one. I'm just waiting for your answers. Shall we go to the explanation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think many of you have done it. Let us see. Yes. So 300 plus first one is open parenthesis. What should we do? Any response? You have to
Same,
push
ma'am.
onto the stack. Correct.
Stack.
Then next is 300. What to do with 300?
Directly we can put.
Output.
Correct. Output. We'll go to
So
the output.
we can directly put.
Yes, yes, yes. Next is plus. Plus is an operator. We have to push it onto the stack. So that will come there. Next is 23.
Stack.
Who's that? 23, where it will go?
Output, ma'am.
And then who said stack? Okay, 23. Next is a closing parenthesis. So when we come across a closing parenthesis, we pop out all that is there in the stack until we encounter a opening parenthesis. So we'll pop out that, and the opening and the closing both will get discarded, right? So next is now as of now the stack becomes empty. Next is star. Star is an operator. Push it onto the stack. Next is open bracket. Again push it onto the stack. 43 will go to the output. Next is minus. Push it onto the stack. 21 will go to the output. Then you have a closing braces. When you have closing braces, pop out everything until you encounter a opening braces. Both closing and opening will get dropped off. All right. So minus will get popped out. So that opening also will get dropped. But you are not going to pop out star, because only until you encounter opening parenthesis you can pop out. Not after that. Next is slash. Now slash and star has same priority. So star will get popped out, and then we push this slash into the stack. Again, next you have opening parenthesis. So opening parenthesis will get pushed into the stack. 84 will go to the output. Plus will go to the stack. 7 will go to the output. And then we come across the closing parenthesis. When we come across closing parenthesis, pop out plus. Opening braces will get discarded. Slash will come to the remaining one. Now we have scanned all the characters. What is remaining is slash. So slash also will get popped out. This is the answer. How many of you all got it right?
Yes, ma'am. We got.
Okay, let me see how many got it right now. Yes, Arjun is right. Bhavisha is right. All of you here. Vinny, yeah, she's also right. Rajeshwari, she has missed out something. Where is Star? Star is not seen. Nishant, Star is not seen. Where did you miss that out? Then Lata is right. Pavan Kumar, Star is missing. Maithili, what happened? You've gone wrong.
Ma'am, I forgot about the bracket, ma'am. 84
Oh, you
before.
forgot about it. See, you've gone wrong. Anyway, no issues. Correct yourselves. Next, Vaishnavi is right. Sunil has gone wrong. Looks like that. No, no. Okay, Sunil is right. Who else is here? Bhargavi, she's also not right. Bhargavi is not right. You're wrong. Then Rashmi is right. Chaitra is right. Asta is also right. Good. Most of you have done it right. Manjunath is also right. Spurti is right. She was the first one to post, I think. Good. Good. Anyway, those who have not done it, do you want another explanation or you're fine with it? Let's go to the next one. Do you want this to be explained again or what?
No, ma'am. No.
Next one, ma'am.
Ma'am,
All right.
the voice is breaking, ma'am.
So voice is breaking. I cannot help. I'll anyway share this video also in the YouTube. Okay. So don't worry. You're able to see the screen. So I think a voice should not be an issue now, right? Because I made the screen very self-explanatory. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Yeah. Take the third example. Are you all able to see it? Can I have some response? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Okay. Quick, do it. Let us see. Yeah. Post it on the chat. Is there anyone who has finished? Okay, can we have some answers? Anyone who has done it? Good. Spurti is pretty fast.
Ma'am, I got.
Good. Let us see. Let's wait for others. Manjunath and Spurti's answer. Let me check. There is some difference. Manjunath, I think you have missed out some minus. I don't see any minus
Yes,
at all.
ma'am, minus is there. Minus is there.
I'm not able to see it.
No, ma'am, I forgot to enter.
Or enter it again. No issues. Yeah, a lot of differences are there in the answers. Pavitra, your answer looks different. I don't know what is right, but I'm finding some differences. That's all I said. All right. That's right. Pavan has done it. Pavitra, you may have to redo, I guess. Maybe there is something wrong. I'm not sure. Let us wait for the answer. Others? Nishant. Nishant. Okay. Bhargavi, Chaitra, Kishore. There's a lot of difference in the answers. Chaitra's answer is different. Kishore's answer, I mean, there is a lot of differences. Okay, shall we get back to the explanation? Or do you need some 1 or 2 minutes more? Yeah, fine. I think let us get back to the explanation and see what is the answer. Okay, so we are starting with, you're able to see, all of you? Can I have some response, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So stack and output. First one is an open parenthesis. Where does it go?
Stack.
Stack. Good. Next
Stack.
is, okay, one of you can go on telling. Who's that? Stack is wrong, no. 4 I am already at. 4 should go where?
Output, ma'am.
Output, ma'am.
Yeah. Next.
Stack.
Stack or output, there are only 2 options here,
Stack,
Manjuna.
ma'am. Plus is stack.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, plus will go to stack.
Yes. Plus is going to stack. Next is 8. 8 will go to the output.
output.
Yeah, what we are getting a closing parenthesis now. So what will happen? Every operator that is there in the stack, please mute yourself. Who is that? So every operator that is there in the stack will get popped out until we come across a opening braces. So this 4, 8 plus will get popped out. Opening as well as closing both will get dropped. Okay, they'll get discarded. Next is a star. When you come across star as an operator, so push it onto the stack. Next is an open braces, push it onto the stack. 6 is an operand, go to the output. Minus is an operator. You don't have to here compare because you have an opening braces. So just directly push it onto the stack. Next is 5. 5 will go to the output. Then you come across a closing braces. So pop out minus, discard both open and close parentheses. So minus will get popped out. Both the brackets will get discarded. And the next one is slash. Slash and star have same priority. So pop the star, push the stack. Now push the slash. So star is popped out, slash gets in. Then we have again open braces, push it into the stack. One more open braces, push it into the stack. Next we have 3. 3 comes to the output. Then we have minus. Minus will get pushed into the stack. 2 gets popped, comes to the output. Then you have closing braces. So since you have closing braces, pop the minus, discard both the plus and opening and the closing. Next you have star. Star will get pushed. And then opening will get pushed. 2 will come to the output. Plus will get pushed to the stack. 2 will come to the output. Closing braces. So pop the plus. Both this one set of brackets will get discarded. Next pop the minus star. Again both these set of brackets will get discarded. And then slash. How many got it right? Okay, Bhavisha is right. Who is right? Yeah, Kavya is also right. Arjun is also right. Vaishnavi is right. Anu is also right, but she has, all of you have typed, she's typed an underscore. Minus should be typed. Anyway, that's fine. Ashok has gone wrong. I don't know. Ashok, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, where you went wrong, see the expression, you got it wrong. I think you have missed out some minus. Or is it a typing error?
Yes, ma'am. I can't observe, ma'am, the base closing braces.
Okay. Akash is also right. Kavya has posted it twice, I think. Pavitra is also right. I think most of you, Maithili is also right. Naina, you missed out somewhere. Minus, I think there are 2 minus. You have missed out 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Or is it a typing error? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashmi is right. Yeah. Rashmi, I think you have gone wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Last one, ma'am.
Yeah. What happened?
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. Typing ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಯಾರೋ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
Typing error, but you have got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yeah, good. Next, Manjunath is right. Then Kishore, you went wrong somewhere. Why? You didn't understand?
Understanding, ma'am. Star is missing.
Star is missing actually. Typing error, but answer bandilva. Answer you didn't get. What happened?
Answer.
You got the answer or you have missed out star there?
I got the answer, ma'am.
You got the answer?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Chaitra is right. Bhargavi is also right. Nishant is right. Pavitra, you're wrong. Pawan is right. Lata is also right. Okay. All of you, I think Spurti is also right. She was the first one to post. Really good. Quite fast she is. Pavitra, what happened? Are you here? I'm not able to hear you.
I have typed it wrong, ma'am. Again I have typed and sent it, ma'am.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So that's about infix to postfix. I think some more examples can we do, or what shall we do? Shall we go to the next topic? You want a few more examples?
Give one last topic.
Last. Okay, since one of you told last, I will go to the last. You are able to see my notepad?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಲೋಯರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರಿ.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಅದೇ ಲೋಯರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳೋಣಪ್ಪ?
ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲೋಯರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ.
First example, if you want, let me go back. This is the first example.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are starting with 3. Okay. 3 will come to output. Next is plus. Plus is the operator. So stack is empty right now. So plus will get into the stack. Then we have 4. 4 will come to the output. Then you have star. You have to, star is an operator. You have to push it onto the stack. Now, when you are pushing the operator onto the stack, you have to compare the precedence of star with the precedence of plus. Plus has a lower precedence. So if the operator in the stack has a lower precedence than the character that has to be pushed or the operator that has to be pushed, you can simply push it. If it has higher precedence, then you have to pop out what is there in the stack and then push the new operator. That is the rule. So plus has a lower precedence. So you simply push star into the stack. Are you getting, Rashmi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got.
Yeah. Next is 5. 5 will go to the output. Next you have slash. Now slash is an operator. You have to push it onto the stack. But slash and star are of the same precedence. So you have to pop out star. So star gets popped out. Now I will again compare slash with plus. Plus has a lower precedence. So you can simply push slash to the stack. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got.
Yeah. Next is 6. 6 will come to the output. Now, after all the characters are scanned, pop out everything from the stack. So, first element that will come out of the stack is slash. So, slash will
Slash.
come here. Next is plus. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got.
Yeah, right. So, one last example somebody was asking. Are you able to see my notepad? Can I put it here?
We can see only PDF file, ma'am, not notepad.
You can't see notepad? Okay, well, let me see what can be done. One minute. You're able to see my notepad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good. Yeah, I'll type it here so that you can try one more example. You are able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. One minute, 1 minute. Yeah. 1 second, 1 second. Just note it down properly. Hope there is no mistake. Yeah. A plus open bracket B star C minus open bracket D slash E to the power of F close bracket star G close bracket star H. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do it. Do it and post it on the chat. Rashmi, go on mute, ma. think it's a quite a long one, no? Right, answers have started coming in. Slash G star minus H star plus. Okay, let's wait for others. Maithili. Nishant. Nishant, I think you've gone wrong somewhere. Nishant,
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's not right yours. Just check again.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's done.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah. Redo it, Nishant. Slash G star minus H star plus. Yeah, I think most of you have got it right. Good. ABC star. Kishore, I think you've gone wrong again. Kishore, your answer is not right, I guess.
Ma'am, check it.
Yeah, check again. Rashmi,
Yep.
Rashmi,
Plus gone. I didn't type
gone.
it plus. Yes,
You
ma'am.
got it, but
Yes, ma'am, I got. I did
right.
all.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. I think most of you are right, I guess. I'll just read out the final solution. You can check with yours. ABC star DEF exponent symbol slash G star minus H star plus. Did you all get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So that's the final answer. Let's, I hope all of you have finished it. Star minus H. Okay. Shall we continue or what?
Continue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yeah. Okay, next we will see how to evaluate a postfix expression. You are able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to evaluate a postfix expression? So infix expression is of the form A, that is A operator B, right? Postfix expression operator will come after the operands A, B, O. Okay. Now, yeah. Can you take this expression and then start doing 10 to 8 star plus 3 minus? Or I will kind of
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
wait. Can you do a postfix evaluation of this? Are you all able to see it? You are able to see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do the postfix evaluation, post your answers. So most of you are saying it is 23. Okay, let's look at the explanation. So when we do a postfix evaluation, we are using a stack again. So if it is going to be an operand, push it onto the stack. So first is what? 10. 10 we are going to push it onto the stack. Next is 2, correct? So 2 also will get pushed into the stack. Whenever we come across an operand, just go on pushing it onto the stack. Next is 8. 8 also will push it onto the stack. Next is an operator star. So when you come across an operator, pop the first top two elements of the stack, apply the operator on those two elements and then push the result back into the stack. Okay, so that means what? I should pop 8, I should pop 2, apply the star operator on 2 and 8. So 2 cross 8 is what I should calculate. When I calculate 2 cross 8, I will get 16. That 16 again I will push it onto the stack. Most of you have given it right, but still I am explaining because there may be some students who haven't followed or who have forgotten something like that. So we see an operator star, that means we get a new number by calculation. So we pop out the two numbers 2 and 8. 2 star 8 is 16. You have to push the new number back into the stack. Then next is plus. So again it is an operator. So we have to pop out these two numbers. There are only two numbers in the stack. So pop them out, apply the plus on them. So 10 plus 16 is going to be 26. Push that again into the stack. Next is 3. 3 is an operand. Push it onto the stack. Next you have minus. Again pop 3 and 26. Apply the minus operator. 26 minus 3. That is 23. Push that result 23 into the stack. So that will be your final expression. Is it clear to all? I think most of you have done it also right. Can we do one more example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I will put it on the notepad. Yeah, this is an infix expression. You have to convert it into postfix, then evaluate the postfix expression. You are able to see? Can I have some response?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So convert it into postfix, then evaluate the postfix expression and give me the answer. Okay, many of you are giving 48 as the answer. 48 is actually right. $48 is right, actually. Good. All right, I think I'll stop my class for today here. Go through the videos that are there on infix to postfix and postfix evaluation. I think some more you can again rerun those videos and have a look at what we have done, so that you can again practice these things. Maybe tomorrow's class we'll try to take up a couple of other topics for revision. All right, any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, then I'll see you all. I'll wind up this class. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
చేసి పెట్టిందంట